Vanakkam. We are now seeing how to improve the eyesight. When we have eye vision problems, we can do mudras that will help to improve the vision directly or indirectly by activating the brain or by improving the energy in the body, by eliminating the waste. You just wonder how all these are connected. You have to connect the dots and just let's see the four mudras that is going to improve our eyesight. The first mudra is Jnana Mudra. Gyana Mudra, Mudra of wisdom. Since this connects or activate the brain, removes stress, removes anxiety. It helps in focusing. Distracted mind get focused, and this mudra helps in activating the nervous system. So in turn, your eye vision also improves, and it calms the mind. It has strengthened the immune system. It's strengthened because of the pituitary. It strengthens all the endocrine glands. It improves the clarity of thought and your communication power. These are the additional things. The next mudra we are going to say is Prana Mudra. The little finger, the ring finger touching the thumb. You keep it on your lap and then you see this improve circulation of the prana, the vital force, the energy in the body. As a result, your eyes get nourished, vitalized, and prana mudra helps in improving. Next is we are seeing the matangi mudra. How to do the matangi mudra, and here also, and then the thumb will be like this. So this is the matangi mudra. The middle finger touching each other and the little and the or crossing over, little and the ring finger. Here the index finger also or like this, and you keep it near nabi. And matangi mudra helps in lot of condition. It helps improve the digestion. It improves the circulatory system, nervous system, pituitary gland. It mind body connection also is strengthened. Gallbladder functioning, relaxes jaw muscle. Where eye comes here because of the flow of prana and blood, it increases matangi. As a result, it improves the eyesight. The last is we are going to say is Aparna Mudra. Aparna Mudra, simple, right? You will keep these two fingers like this and then. Aparna Mudra is an elimination mudra. Eliminate all those things which is not required. It makes the heart strong. It helps in improving the flow of like perspiration, urine, and stool. So it elimination is done. It helps in even toothache. Apart from this, it removes all urinary defects also. Okay, and it by regularizing the Apana Mudra helps to actually control diseases and diabetes also. Apana Mudra, diabetes. If your eye vision is affected because of diabetes, do Apana Mudra. This helps in improving your vision. Okay, we saw four mudras: Jnana Mudra, Prana Mudra, Matangi Mudra, keep it near the navel. Finally, Apana Mudra for improving the eyesight. Bye.